Alright, welcome back to Project Sports Roof. My 73 Mustang. Remember last time I was putting on valve cover gaskets and I wanted to reuse the ones I had. Well, as you can see they didn't really hold up. So I ordered a reusable set, one you could take off, you could reuse after you took the covers off again. And unfortunately the days are fading where people actually, that you talk to either online or at the local parts store, where they actually know anything about older cars. Talked to a guy at one of the online places, a very popular place, has all the good stuff. And when I told him what I needed, he was a little bit shocked that I'm looking for a 351 Cleveland. He went ahead and sent me, instead of the 351C, according to his chart, he sent me the 351M, which actually has the wrong bolt pattern for the 351 Cleveland. So that aside, so I get out this morning and I go, okay, let's go. I didn't even look at them. Let's go and get started putting this back together. And that didn't work. So I went down to one of the local shops and I said, hey, 351 Cleveland valve cover gaskets. He goes, oh yeah, sure. Oh no, he says, you mean an M. You mean M code. I go, no, that's newer stuff. I want the 73, 351 Cleveland. And he fussed around more with his computer and pretty much ended up with not having anything in stock, and I'll have to order it. And I said, no, I can order it. Luckily there's a place in town called Merle's and they have a lot of this stuff, and they actually have guys that know what it looks like. They weren't close, but I went ahead and called them, and they had it ready for me in about an hour, so I went and picked it up. So we're going to put these back on today, and crank her back up and make sure she doesn't leak, and then take her for a spin. I haven't driven her much, so I want to get her out and loosen up all those ball joints and make the wheels go around a little bit. So I'll maybe do a little video on that later on. Alright, I want to add another note. In case you didn't notice, these are cork. That's all they had in stock. Again, that's local. So I'm going to put these on for temporarily. Now the cork dries out. This particular engine puts out a lot of heat. And the Arizona weather's not great for cork, but I'm going to put these on for now so I can drive around a little bit. And I'll order the other set. The other sets are... now these were only $17, so they're a quick fix. The other set was about $49 for the reusable ones. They're rubber and steel, and this is supposed to be cork and steel, but it's ended up being just plain cork and rubber. And I think that's probably what they meant when they told me it was cork and steel. I've never seen a cork and steel one, but anyway. So again, these are temp, in case you notice that. What I'm really looking for is this type. I think they're called SCE, but again, that was the wrong bolt pattern. So, and that's the proper two in the middle, two on each end. All right, so we'll go put those in.